Hey everyone, welcome back to M&M PT NAATI. This is Manmohit. Now guys, in today's video, I am going to discuss another fill in the blank reading question with all of you with proper answers and the explanations as to why are these the correct answers and not the other ones like I've done in so many other videos in the past. So I will be discussing as to why are we picking a certain answer? What's the reason behind it? Is there a grammar rule that we're using, a collocation, logic? What's the reason? So that you guys can also understand as to not just to gamble with the answers, but to actually understand the logic behind them. So once you know that, okay, this is why we're picking these answers, it just makes it a lot easier and it just helps you to be a lot more confident in the exam that this is the reason you're picking that particular answer. Just before I proceed, I all want to share is if you need any help and support with your PTE exams or NAATI exams, Hindi, Punjabi, Gujarati, or PT Academic, PT Core, you can always contact us on WhatsApp. The number is there in the description, or you can even message us on Instagram or Facebook, our socials. Message us over there and we'll have a chat with you. Admin would be there and we'll make sure we'll discuss a plan with you on how you guys can also clear these exams in your very first attempt, considering they're expensive exams and take a lot of time and energy. Now, let's start with this one. So this is the question that we are going to look at. And as you can see, we have got 4 blanks over here. And this is a reading fill in the blank exam question. So 4 blanks and then I have got 4 and then so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 options. So 9 options and 4 blanks and I have to pick my correct answers. The first one says, the world of science has witnessed countless breakthroughs. Now, like I always say, you can also pause the video at this stage to try to solve this question by yourself to see if you are able to get all 4 on 4 correct answers. If not, that's absolutely fine, but first try to do it yourself and then you can resume the video to follow alongside. Now, the world of science has witnessed countless breakthroughs. Last month, a research team dashed a new species of deep sea fish during an expedition. So last month, so that tells me whatever word comes over here needs to be in the past tense, and I'm missing a verb because an action is missing in that sentence and any sentence is incomplete without a verb. So all we know is we need a verb in the past tense, and they're talking about a research team. So a research team does what? They do research, they discover a few things, they look for, they find new things is what we mean over here. So last month a research team did something. Did what? A new species of deep sea fish. So thing that already existed, they did something. So they did not invent it, they discovered it, they found it. So out of my options, acclamation is a noun. Then we've got discovered ending with ed. That means it's a verb in the past tense. So that does look like my right answer. Then possessed, invented, find. Now find is also a right word, but we need a verb in the past tense. So find is in the present tense, can't be the right answer. Unearthed, hailed, stumble and occupied. Again, these words do not make sense over here. My correct answer here needs to be the word discovered. So once I've used that particular word, I can eliminate that because that can never happen again. Next one. These creatures living in the darkest depths were hidden from human sight until now. The scientists didn't just dash across them casually. They used advanced sonar technology and spent hours analyzing data. So all they are trying to say over here is they, again, past tense, they did not just dash across them casually. Like they did not just find them casually, but they had that advanced technology. So they did all that research, made proper plans and stuff. Now, across, find across them. The scientists didn't just find across them casually. That is grammatically wrong. Collocation wise wrong as well. Stumble word sounds like the correct answer. So because I already had the word did, that means the verb that I use over here needs to be in the past, in the present tense. Didn't and then past and then present tense verb is the correct combination in the grammar. And stumble, when you say the scientists didn't just stumble across them, like they did not just casually find them. Find again would have been the right answer as well over here, but then because of the word across, it's a collocation. We always stumble across something, like they accidentally found it, they unintentionally found it is what they mean over here. So stumble word is also used. Next one is they use this. Back in the lab, the team worked with biologists who who dash extensive knowledge of marine genetics. Again, we need a verb in the past tense over here because back in the lab, the team worked with biologists. So something happened in the past already. So back in the lab, the team worked with biologists who dash extensive knowledge of marine genetics, who have extensive knowledge, like who have the knowledge already, but we need a verb in the past tense. So past tense of have something. Acclamation, nah. So possessed, invented, hailed or occupied. So these are the 4 words that could be the right answer. Now if you read it out, the team worked with biologists who dash extensive knowledge, who have extensive knowledge, have, so possessed is another synonym of that, who possessed extensive knowledge. You can't say who invented extensive knowledge, who hailed, hailed means praising, that again does not fit over here. And occupied, you can't occupy knowledge, you always learn knowledge. So possessed would be the right answer over here. And finally, possessed is done. And the last one is their combined expertise enabled them to study the fish's unique DNA structure. Soon after, their findings were published and the scientific community dashed it a significant discovery. Again, an action word is missing over here. And again, we need an action word in the past tense because they said findings were published. So action already happened. And the scientific community dash it as a significant discovery. So they named it as a significant discovery. So they named, we need either the word named or synonym of the word named. So scientific community, acclamation, scientific community invented, find, hailed or occupied. Hailed would be the right choice over here because we need a verb in the past tense. And we only had 3 words remaining, which were verb in the past tense. So invented, hailed or occupied. You can't occupy it as a significant discovery. You can't invent it as a significant discovery because it's already a discovery. You can't invent it. So scientific community hailed it as a significant discovery. That means they praised it as a significant discovery, opening new doors to ocean research. And that's a positive statement. So this is what I wanted to share in this video, just to give you guys a bit of an idea as to why are we picking these answers, and it's very important. And see, this is what we do with our students as well who are enrolled with us, that when they enroll with us, we create a personal Telegram group with them, Telegram as in an app, and we create a personal group for that specific student. Let's say that student's name is Alex, and we'll create a group with the name of Alex PTE. And in that group, it's only going to be me, Mohit, and that student. That's all. No other student included in that. And that is that personal space for that student where they can take feedback from us, me and Mohit, one-on-one feedback from us every single day, all 7 days a week. And that is how students of ours are getting their results every single day, whatever their desired score is. If they're aiming for 65, 79, a perfect 90, whatever they need, because they take that consistent feedback. Even for fill in the blanks, we assist them, we help them with this. Like when they practice a certain question and they get stuck at a certain blank and they are not able to understand as to why is this the right answer, they take a picture of that question, send it to us in that group every day whenever they practice, and we explain to them. We send them an audio message explaining to them as to what is the reason for choosing this answer and not that. Like explaining them why they got it wrong, what was the reason behind getting that wrong, and why is this the right answer. So when they have that discussions with us is when they actually improve in these topics. And when they improve, magic happens. And when magic happens, they get their desired score. And that is what our aim is, to help you guys to clear these expensive exams in the very first go. Guys, all the very best if you have quarter exams coming soon. I wish you all the luck. If you need help and support, feel free to message us on WhatsApp or our social media platforms, Instagram or Facebook. Links are there in the description. Our number is there in the description. Message us and we'll make sure you get these done in your very first go. I wish you all the luck and I'll see you all in the very next video.